Hello everyone, my name is Juan Fernandez Carino, and I'm currently living in Piquian, Pasong Tamo, Quezon City. My hobbies is to play basketball, badminton, volleyball, and table tennis. Pero yung main sport ko talaga is maglaro ng ping pong. And until now, nag-training pa rin ako para mapurso ko yung pangarap ko na makapasok sa UAE. And I also like playing ukulele. And my favorite food is adobo, sinigang, sushi, kimchi, and then hotdog. And mahilig din ako magbasa ng motivational quotes para mas matuto pa ako sa mga bagay-bagay. And then, ma-motivate ko yung sarili ko na maging better person every day.